Hi, I'm Ben and I'm a learning manager for the Raspberry Pi Foundation. So I'm at the moment in my home office, which I've built, which is in the bottom of the garden. But I don't get to spend a lot of time here at the moment because I spend most of my time in the house with the children. So at home I have 8-year-old twins who are in year 3 and I've got a 6-year-old who is in year 1. So I think, like most parents, I find it quite challenging managing full-time work around homeschooling. And my wife's a key worker, so most of the time it's just me and children and trying to fit work around that. So I think my children are at an age where they can't really be left with activities by themselves, so I can't set them off with something and then just get on with it. So it's required quite a lot of support from myself to help them with what they're doing and Google terms I've never heard of before, like a fronted adverbial. So I think homeschooling has taken a few weeks to get right, and I don't think we've got it quite right yet. But I think what's worked for the children the most is just having a routine every day. The school gave us a rough timetable to follow, and we've kind of followed that every day, and that's included plenty of time for exercise and creative activities, as well as things like English and maths. But it's also included things like doing the chores and helping around the house, which has been really nice. I think what's worked for me is, I think in the first few weeks I tried too often to fit my work around them and doing my work at the same time as they were trying to do their schoolwork, and that really didn't work. So I've made sure now I'm taking breaks in the day from my work to be able to sit with them and support them with some of the exercises where they do need help. I think what's interesting is how used they're getting to doing lessons online and watching videos and then doing something alongside those activities that are suggested on the videos. So, I mean, I think what they've really enjoyed is doing something and having something that when mum gets home, they feel really proud of and they want to show her what they've done. So things that have worked really well on that front have been, we've come across this YouTube channel called Drawing with Rob, where they've made cartoons and followed a tutorial to do that. And they've also liked following some Scratch tutorials on the Digital Making at Home website for Raspberry Pi, because again, they've made something that they know that they feel that's theirs, and they like to show off to the grandparents and their mum. Bye!